Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating or signing into a Kahoot teacher account because permissions unlock classroom features. Once done, set up your class, name it and import a roster using CSV or share the join link. This saves time later. Next, choose the mode, live for real-time engagement or assignments to let students complete at their own pace. Make sure to link a grade or subject tag so you can filter reports. This helps with tracking and planning future lessons. Now you build the Kahoot. Title it clearly and set language and timing because clarity reduces confusion. Add questions. Mix multiple choice, true/false, puzzles, and slide content to vary cognitive load. Include images or short videos to increase context and attention. Configure scoring, points on or off, penalties for guessing, and randomize answers to prevent copying. Also enable accessibility settings for extra time or color contrast, so all students can participate equitably and you get meaningful data. To finish, launch the Kahoot and share the game PIN for live play or send the link for assignments. Monitor the lobby so latecomers join. During or after play, review reports, look at per question stats and individual scores, then export CSV to your gradebook for record keeping. If problems occur, first refresh the session and check your network. Re-invite students or enable guest mode to bypass sign-in issues. Keep one troubleshooting tip handy. Clear browser cache if media refuses to load.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.